Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, Managing the Company Data page in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. TxPROS allows users to manage their own company account information through the Company Data option, located in the bottom right corner of the customer dashboard. On the Company Data page, users can add, edit, or delete information such as addresses, users, and equipment. Under the Company Information section, users will find various details that were originally entered when the account was created. All of this information can be updated as needed to reflect the most current data. The customer account number, displayed at the top of the page, is unique to your company and is used by TxDMV when issuing permits. This number will never change. The company name shown will appear on permits, while the DBA will be visible on the account but not on any permits. Contact information, including phone, fax, and email, is used throughout the TxPROS application, and the US DOT number listed will display on your permits as your valid operating authority. The delivery method selected determines how completed permits will be sent. If your company has any bonds on file, they will be listed in the upper right corner of the screen along with their effective dates. If you change your company name, keep in mind that you may also need to update the name on your bond and your US DOT record. The Company Assets section contains additional account-related details that can be used within TxPROS. The Contacts option allows you to add multiple types of contacts, such as business, emergency, or permitting contacts. Under the Addresses option, you can enter both physical and mailing addresses. The Renewal option lets you provide contact information for email or mail notices about upcoming annual permit renewals. If your company operates out of multiple yard locations, the Yards option enables you to manage these under the same account number while keeping assets organized by location. The Users option allows you to manage all users associated with the account. Each of these items can be added or edited using the New or Edit buttons found to the right of the item. To manage user details, select a user from the drop-down menu. For example, we will use Customer Test, then click Edit to open the User Information dialog box. This will display all the information that has been entered for this user. You can update any of the user's information, except for their login ID. To change a password, click Change Password, then enter the current password followed by the new password twice. To update security questions, select Change Security Questions. The User Type field determines what level of access a user has. A user with supervisor status can issue permits and manage all company account information, while a regular user can only issue permits. If needed, a user can be temporarily deactivated using the Deactivate button, which prevents them from accessing TxPROS. To restore access, simply click Activate. If a user is locked out due to multiple failed login attempts, a supervisor can unlock the account using the Unlock button. If a supervisor is locked out, contact TxDMV at 1-800-299-1700 for assistance. You can also delete a user by selecting Delete, cancel any changes with Cancel, or save your updates by choosing Update. The Vehicles option in TxPROS allows your company to store and manage all equipment that may be used during the permit process. This list of vehicles is accessible through the Vehicle Inventory drop-down on the Vehicle and Load Information screen. From time to time, you may need to update vehicle details. For example, if you are issuing a permit and notice that unit number 3 has a new license plate that has not been updated, simply select unit number 3 from the Vehicles drop-down menu and click Edit. Enter the updated license plate number and click Update to save the change. If needed, you can remove the vehicle by selecting Delete, or discard any changes by choosing Cancel. To add a new vehicle, click the New button, fill in the required information, and then choose Insert to save the new entry, or select Cancel to back out without saving. Once all updates to the vehicle list, or any other part of the company data page are complete, click Update to save your changes. To exit without making any changes, click Cancel. This concludes the tutorial on managing the company data page in TxPROS. For more information and additional tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov and search using the keyword TxPROS.